Student, I hope your day is going well. Today is story time, and today the story that I'm going to read is called I Have Hiccups by Anne Hart. Hic! I have the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mom said. I take a deep breath. I puff out my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, Dad said. I drank. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. I still have the hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother said. I don't like pickles, I said. He shrugged. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny bite of the pickle. It's sour. I made a face. Hic! I still have the hiccups. I go next door to Auntie Nura's house. Help, I said. I have the hiccups. Lay on the floor, Auntie Nura said. I lay on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Sing the ABC song. What? I said it works. Try it. I sing my ABCs. I still have the hiccups. My cousin Semaya come home. My cousin Salama come home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. I have the hiccups, Salama. Please help me, I beg. Salama say, stand on one leg. I do. I hold onto a chair. Now, stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Now, open your eyes really wide. I do, and try not to blink. Now, look over your shoulder, she said. I look over my left shoulder. Now, wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. I hope I don't fall. I'm wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are still tired. My tongue is dry. My neck is sore, too. Wait, Salama said as she left the room. Don't move, she called. I don't move, but I really want to. I wait and wait. Suddenly, the door opens. A bright flash blinks me. I put my leg down and pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. Salama laughed and held up her camera. She showed me the picture. She just looked. I smiled. I look silly. Yes, Salama laughed, but your hiccups are gone. All right. I hope you enjoyed that story about the hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups before? I have too. So, let me ask a couple of questions. See, do you remember some of the uh, interesting things about this story? Now, do you remember how many people tried to cure the hiccups? Let's count them. There was the mother. That's one. There was the father. That's two. There was the brother. That's three. And there was an auntie. That's four. And then there was her neighbor, Salama. That's five. So we said five. I think you may have gotten it right. Very good. Very good. Now, what is the brother idea for curing the hiccups? Do you remember? It was he had her to eat something that she didn't like. Do you remember what that was? I think he asked her to eat a pickle, and the pickle was sour, but it did not cure her hiccups. So if you said a pickle, I think you got it right again. Now, who was the very first person to try and help? Do you remember? It always the mom coming to the rescue. So if you say her mother was the first one to try to help her, you are absolutely right. Very good. What is the best word to describe Salama? She was kind of funny. She was kind of a comedian because she had her to do all kind of crazy things to cure the hiccups. So if you said she was a funny person, then you got that right again. You're doing very well. I hope you enjoyed the story, and until next time, you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.